hook. Woo! That was close. Let me tell you about the time that I traveled 20,000 miles in 20 days through 20 states. Touched all four corners, all the borders, tried to get a Cat 5 hurricane and a couple nighttime tornadoes.
I'm trying to take a helicopter into a hurricane. I don't know. It's definitely pushing it. We're definitely pushing it. But if they're willing to do it, I'm in. I mean, listen, you guys know me. I'm not missing an opportunity to go look at her. I was wanting to core punch that one, but it's not gonna happen. I've resigned to the fact that we're just gonna go look at it, back, call it good. We nervous on this one. Just a wee. Not like a lot, just a little. Like a good nervous. You know, if you could parachute off here and you knew that you could catch enough air, this would be pretty cool. Just to like do a quick little glide on down to the beach. I mean, we're 150 feet in the air here. So you gotta figure like, I don't know.
Hello, Kyle.
Hi.
I'm gonna contact the pilot right now to see if that's safe, because mostly pilots don't do that since it's really dangerous, go near the storm. So once I get a hold of him, I'll just call you back, alright?
Okay. Sam walked away. I'm gonna try to go get Sam. So we'll see.
I know, don't get something, right?
No, I was gonna tell you this. You know when you kept asking like, "Oh, are you gonna make it?" Like, if I don't make it, it's because I'm dead, not because I missed a flight. Like, this is gonna be done in 2 days. So, if I don't make it to San Diego, it's because something really bad happened. But even then, I can swim. I'm a good swimmer.
What building do you think that one was?
I don't know. My mom, if we had this on something we could slow it down, she could probably. We got into there.
Oh, that's the Lutheran
Oh, is
Church.
that
Yep,
the
that is.
church?
Okay.
Yeah.
The night before I went to Puerto Rico, the discovery of the 1955 tornado outbreak. Footage for the first time. It's go time. Right next to us, it's starting to form.
Yeah, we're in a bad spot.
Yeah, we are.
Get ready. This is when a nighttime tornado falls right on top of you. It's not lightning, it's a tornado. It's not a tornado, it's lightning.
Oh, I can see it.
Where?
I can see it in my viewfinder. I can see something in my viewfinder so fast though. I can't tell. Oh yeah. It's definitely trying. Well, then let's go to
And there it is, the Clinton tornado.
It's a wedge. See it?
So that was a crazy night. And one of the biggest things that happened that night that nobody saw was I got to meet one of my favorites, and that's Gene Moore from the old school days.
Observed tornado.
Observed.
Not quite there, but
On our way back to his house, grab his cat and get the hell out. This is insane. We're racing back to Teague's house to grab his valuables. Watch out. And there's a tornado warned storm that's already produced how many?
so right now, as of what Matt said, 2 to 3 tornadoes.
2 to 3 tornadoes, and it's barreling down directly, and I mean directly, at El Reno. So here we are, the storm chasers, now being the chased. So you couldn't have scripted the last chase, and I don't know what tonight will be, go down in the history books, but I feel like this has probably got to be one of the biggest outbreaks in the fall in Oklahoma in quite a long time.
98 was the last one.
I mean, what, 2 days ago we had 12, 14, 16 confirmed tornadoes, and tonight, I don't know how many tonight, I don't want to say
12, and
Here
then
we
he
are.
said
We're-
update to 4, so 14.
14 on Sunday.
Awaiting 2 more confirmed, and then there was
Could be
2 in Missouri
16.
from the same tornadic storm.
And then tonight, I don't even want to say a number because tonight I've heard it's been all over the map. And if there's 3 on the ground from the one that's coming at us, that's 3 tornadoes off of one cell. And then we had what, 2 or 3 on the cell we were on?
At least.
What a bonkers night. And the lightning has been insane. So now here we are, 10 o'clock at night, racing back to his house to get his, just a couple things.
Just 3 things.
3 things. He doesn't care. The rest can go. Insurance, that's the way it goes. Hey, man, I lost all my stuff in the flood. I know that feeling. It wasn't nearly as dramatic as a tornado, but
That's all
hey,
good.
good to go.
Okay.
All right, so here we are, pulling in. We're in.
The thing is that this wind is multi-directional.
Yeah, I have. All
We
night.
had our back and it's coming out our front. No, when we were in the this gets sucked right in.
Just ominous night.
Then I went down to the rail yard. I wanted to get lightning, trains, and grain mills in the back. Just good old Tornado Alley life. What happened next taught me a couple lessons once again. But you don't know until you go. It's an insane night. Tornadoes, getting back to Teague's house, that storm dying, another storm coming. So one of my other hobbies that I just absolutely enjoy is being into trains. I love trains. I love everything about trains, the mechanics, the passenger side, the engine side, the conductor side, travel, you name it. With that said, I wanted to marry both of my favorite hobbies together, and that's trains and storms. So as I came down here to look at this setup, I didn't realize that a radar couplet was coming together. And next thing you know, right in front of me, there it is. A vortice trying to come together. Ironically, Teague's house is on the other side, so I can't go to his house. And Matt's back there watching it on radar. So I decided I either got to get under this train or inside. Be perfectly clear, I didn't plan this out. I never intended to go inside of a train. But at this point, it's necessity and survival. And now I'm inside of a giant 60-ton storm shelter on rails. And I'm gonna ride it out for the next hour and a half in here. Here we go. Just a few minutes later, it felt like the train was struck by lightning. Check it out. That was close. Now my heart's racing. I just want to get out of this train and back to the house. And just as I was about to leave, luck would have it, here comes a train. Thankfully, I got out all right, made it back to the house, and the next day I went to pick up my luggage that was left over.
What happened?
That's Northeast 4th.
Where was your house at?
Uh,
That's in Moore?
yeah, this was from 2013. That was the back of my house.
Oh my gosh.
That's, and my master, the kitchen, and my sons and the 2 bedrooms were gone.
Oh, where were you guys?
We left.
Wild horses, abandoned structures, and paradise.
The title of this video was 20,000 Miles in 20 Days. It all started here. Practically had to drag me off this island. It was just heaven. So let's take a recap and show you how we got here.
All right. It's like 1:30 in the morning. Just got home. I got an hour and a half, 2 hours till Uber shows up and started right back up again. Shower, shaved, cleaned up, ready to go see my lady in California. So 3:30 a.m. next stop.
Truth of the matter is, I barely made my flight by just 7 minutes, and I would have been a dead man. This was the first time that Jennifer was getting to meet my parents, and I had seen her in months. Only a couple days, and I had to say goodbye.
Oh, well, very happy to see you.
Yeah, thank you, man.
I watched many.
My Uber driver that morning was a huge Storm fan and had seen me on Deadline to Disaster and a few of my other videos.
I don't know, someday, but sorry.
No, go ahead.
Someday he get killed.
Manhattan, Kansas, get underground. Get underground. Looks like a tornado's trying to come down right here. Well, this windshield is officially done. I'm Kyle Cutton. Behind me is a tornado on the ground just outside of Morton, Texas. I'm in Mangum, Oklahoma. The tornado siren's just gone off here. We're about ready to jump right into this. Outside of Stockton, Kansas. It's getting dicey. 158 miles an hour in Cat 5 conditions here in Houma, Louisiana. See it pulling off the ground. Get in your safe place, Sioux Falls.
Right there.
Yeah. Oh, it's right here. I'm Kyle Cutton, reporting to you live from the site of a devastating tornado here in Mayfield. I'm here at the candle factory in Mayfield. There's wax everywhere. In Crockett, Texas, helping aid and search and rescue. I'm Kyle Cutton, reporting to you live here in Andover, Kansas, where search and rescue are going door to door, double checking to make sure there's no fatalities or trapped folks. That was close. Tornado warning storm. That's right there. That could be a tornado. Right there. You're looking right up the heart of it. Right up the guts of a tornado warning storm. I get it a lot. It's okay. I'm just glad you watched my stuff, man.